So we're back with a brand new product. This is the Anker Nano Power Strip. This is a 10-in-1 power strip, 70 watt, and a clamp designed to kind of clamp down on your desk to help with wire management. Let's open this up and talk about what you get inside the box. So it has a really cool pull seal here. Real easy open. And this just pulls out like that. Solid, easy to go. You've got a really heavy duty power cord, low profile plug, and even a little wire management here in this unit for managing the cables. And then this is your actual unit. It's all wrapped in paper to keep it clean and safe. Let's pull this back. Okay, so on the unit here we have USB-A, 2 choices, and then 2 IQ USB-Cs. You've also got your indicator for surge protection on the top here, and then 2 actual full-size plugs there. And then on the bottom here, we have 2 more full-size plugs. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10 on the outside edge. Now the actual unit here adjusts with this little screw piece to allow it to open up. And then you can place that on the table like here. And then you can tighten the knob and then it will clamp down on the table. Now all you'll see on your desktop is these 2 plugs for easy access and your USB-C and USB-A power right here. That is incredibly solid, very low profile. And then you can use the 4 plugs under the desk to plug in your tower, your monitor, your printer, or any other item that you need to plug into direct power. That is a really nice option there for you. It's incredibly low profile, very sleek look and design, very easy to adjust and tighten, and it's very secure once it's in place. The power cord itself is about the length of my table, so we're talking about maybe like 4+ feet. Pretty solid. That's going to give you enough length to get down to the wall plug as well. Yeah, this is a really solid option for you. I like how those plugs are just kind of hidden below the desk, but you still have some plugs up top, maybe for your cell phone charger if you're using it direct to power, although to be honest, I'd use the USB-C to USB-C, but it is a really great option for definitely cable management. Let's go take this, set this up on our computer desk and show you what it looks like in use. We'll be right back. Well, that is a great tool for anybody that wants to help make their desks look very professional, as well as keep all those cables out of the way. Well, if you guys like that, I hope you guys picked it up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.